So the sun's out, it's a bit windy, blue sky, which is a whole lot better than what we've had over the last 51 days of rain in Cornwall. So I thought I'd get chainsaw out and start chopping up some of the hanging branches which have been blown in the wind and just made a right old mess of the place. This big limb is going to come down, hopefully without smashing up the fence. I'm going to chop it up for a bit of firewood ready for this winter coming, season it in the summer, dry out nicely. So let's give it a go. Well, that branch was bigger than I thought. Crikey. Squashed the fence. Nearly took the other blooming fence down as well. But it's down. So there we go. Nice little trailer load of logs. Which, oh crikey, he fell over there. Which come from 3 branches. So we're just letting that dry out this year and hopefully we can use it for next winter.